Alright, you guys, so I'm back again. I am on my way home from work, and I did tell you guys that I'm gonna do a quick video. This person needs to stop speeding behind me because I'm not gonna go any faster. At this point I'm going at 28 miles because y'all can see the road is still coming down hard. This is the first highway that I gotta get on, that I'm on. I still have 2 more exits, I think, before my exit or something like that. But yeah, oh, look at this madness. Person is driving really slow because they're probably nervous. But I'll be back when I get to my neck of the woods. I don't know what's going on here, but this is my exit. It's the exit I gotta get on, but I don't know what's happening. I know you lie. I know that person did not just flash me. Where do you want me to go, sir, ma'am, whoever you are? Don't make me. Why am I? Don't make me put this window down and curse. Look at this. And then you get an accident, you fool. Okay, so I went around that truck. I still don't know what's happening here. I think they're trying to get on that exit over there, but this is my exit here. Oh, there was a... They sliding over there. I'm telling you guys, it's not... Up here is no joke. No joke when it snow. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I don't know if I'm in the middle of the road, the center, the side of the road, left, like I don't even know where I'm at, but I'm in the road. Legit, this is so pretty. Like, me seeing this is so pretty, like just white, but it's hella scary. Driving home is hella scary, but it's just pretty. Like, all the trees are white. Alright, you guys. Today, so I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I'll be back to show y'all the road that I am really afraid of, like when it snows. Like, I'm really afraid of that road, so I'll be back. They legit didn't clean this road. Like, what the heck? What happened to this road? There's a main road. This road should have been clean. Like, cleaner than this. Like, what's happening? I see what I was talking about, the white. Like, everything is white. beautiful white. Alright you guys, so this road here and this road is corners, like I'm so afraid of this dang old road. It's not even funny. Y'all can't tell me this is not cute. Like, legit. Y'all cannot say this is not cute. Like, look at this. Pretty. Kind of small. Let's see. Cars already doing stuff they ain't supposed to be doing. I'll let y'all enjoy this view with me. Like, this beautiful view. I could tell the difference from me coming from work over there in Oliphant to in Tobiano. Like, so my husband just called and he just informed me that we have no power, but where I am out here there's power. See, all you see in light. I don't know. I guess we'll see when I get home, but yo, the county need to do better now. They need to do better. What is this? I'm just enjoying this winter white thing. I can like I never see all kind of thing. I am almost home. I'm almost home. I'm coming to you, Olivia. I'm coming. Oh my, what happened up here now? I think the road is clean, so this person probably waiting. I'm hoping that is the reason why. I really get excited. I bend the corner there to get stuck in this here, and these people not gonna let me go, you know. Ay ay ay. I just gangster somebody. They're like, nope, I'm going, you gotta wait. I already know it was gonna look like this over here. I already know it. There's light out here, so I don't know why I don't have light on my house. Don't play PPL. Not today. Alright you guys, so I am inside my community. I'm almost home. Look them there cleaning. Alright you guys, so is what it look like on my block. Tree fall down. Trees falling down over here. Look at. Well, not trees, but branches. Hey, you better stay up there now. Stay up there. It's gonna scratch my car. Oh, my poor baby just got scratches. Look, this shit ain't funny. Yo, we have no power. And I have to go through this snow. I not shovel you. I the shovel. I not shoveling nothing. Look at this madness though. How the hell? Where's my snow boots? Damn, my water boots. Cause I could have gone change it in the car. Send who a shovel? You really want me shovel? Shit, man. Babe, I can't walk where the lights are. You see how high the thing is? Boy telling me jump no. Yo, what the hell? Wow, come and take this snow. Oh damn. The garage guy almost say you can't do the snow blower either. Oh, you see this? And if I fall along, I'll go see it now. Look at this mess. Papa, you can't go. Afraid. You can't go look for my Yo. Ain't not that bad. It's not on going in my shoe. Look at this. I asked the man to clean this step. Oh, you see? I asked him to clean this step. Oh shoot. Come take them thing here from me, please now. Alright, you guys are inside the house. This is what it looks like on the outside. Mister didn't clean the step. So yeah. Oh, I know you see that. Anyhow, I am going to go take off these shoes because snow don't go on in it. Look, I still have snow on my clothes. Anyhow, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.